Happy New Year! It's Gilbert. Today is Tech Tuesday. Let's take a look at what today's topics are going to be about. Today I'm going to share this virtual book room by author, speaker, and staff developer Claire Landrigan. She created this awesome virtual book room Padlet board completely free for your students to explore. This Google extension called Web Paint provides easy-to-use drawing tools that let you draw shapes, lines, and add text to live web pages and even take screenshots. Need an illustration for any idea you can imagine or create? Then be sure to check out Undraw, an open source web tool that can be used to download images for all sorts of projects. Just tap the Browse button and locate the image that fits your needs. Have you ever wished that you could make interactive slides in editing mode in a Google slide deck full screen by hiding the thumbnail image that appears on the left? Then this is the Google extension you are going to want to download. On Claire Landrigan's website, you're going to find a link to her virtual book room Padlet board free for your students to use. Let's take a look. Once you click the link, it's going to take you to the Padlet board. Here you're going to find her virtual book room sorted by topics and interest shelves and levels. This is a website you're going to want to bookmark. On the Claire Landrigan website, you will also find a virtual classroom library Padlet board so you can recreate one for yourself. Do you want to be able to draw shapes, lines, and add text to live web pages and even take screenshots? Here is a Google extension called Web Paint. Here is my PowerPoint to my writing mini lesson. I'm going to use the pencil to circle for my students the beginning of the mentor text, Owl Moon. Here is the Schoology webpage. This is where I can use the extension to show my students where they can find their writing resources. Here is a mentor text. I can use the extension and the pencil to circle our weekly sight words for my students. You can use this extension to annotate on a live web page and even type on it. Here is how I could take a screenshot using this extension. I could annotate on this Padlet an example of a student using a fanboy. Then I can hit the camera button. There's my screenshot, and then I can download it and share with students. You need an image for a project? Then the website Undraw is the website you're going to want to check out. Once you're on the website, you're going to click the blue button, and then you can see all of the images that this website has to offer. You can even change the color of the images to fit your project needs. So I need an image to go into my digital behavior contract for one of my students. So I'm going to go to that website, Undraw. I'm going to type in the search bar, playing, and I know that he likes to play in the toy car center. Oop, there's one right there. But I'm going to change the color to blue, and then I'm going to click on the image. Then I'm going to download the PNG. Then from the bottom, I'm going to click and drag it to my document and then drop it. And then I'm going to resize it to put it into the behavior contract. So if he earns enough points, he can play in the toy car station. This is the Google extension you're going to want to download called Full Screen Interactive Google Slides. Once you're in Google Slides, once you click the extension, it's going to remove all of the thumbnails to the left. Now your presentation is now in full screen. Thank you for tuning in to this week's Tech Tuesday. We'll see you again next week.